So this is a microwave, a box that magically heats your food in seconds. But inside, it's doing some serious science. When you press start, the microwave creates something called microwaves. Kinda ironic, huh? Microwave running on a microwave. Anyways, it's a type of electromagnetic waves. These waves bounce around inside and get absorbed by the water molecules in your food. These water molecules start vibrating really fast when hit by the microwaves. Now, that vibration creates friction, and friction means heat. So instead of heating your food from the outside in, like an oven, a microwave excites the water inside the food, heating it up from the inside out.